heartless, parading harmless. Don't let armrest and dwell in darkness. I search accomplice, finding fugitives who are in hiding. Crime abiding, right in the storm, spilling blood, people dying. Innocent, receive evil sin, let die in bewilderment. Evidence on puzzle faces leave traces of a killer sin. Why'd you kill them for? They were part of any war, now they score. You can run but you can hide from bounty squads. Murder dog, at execution point way with bloodlust. Sounds unjust, but you will be targeted when the guns buzz.
Look out, bullets are gonna fly like rain. And anybody that's meant to die will get slain. Train ourselves to kill, ignore pain. And now we spraying these bullet holes in your brain. Execution, style, murder rain. And generating these crazy times like Wild Wind. Coming in when the bells are ringing. And our hearts are full of sin and singing about execution. The art of making your body fall apart is brought to a start, instruction on guard. The enemy's tied to poles and they shot. Courtesy of the bullet brain murder squad. Leaders on the opposite side of us like get set up execution style and then die. Looking at the gray of the sky. The eyes of victims are full of surprise, and that's why you wanna fill us with holes and kill those that wrote out justice for the people. Fuck that, the governing old man is cold and responsible for the souls that got stole.
Time to pull, release their soul. Cover their eyes, they see no more. Blind of the fate they're headed for. Feeling the pain from bullet holes. Awaiting execution, fusion of the bullet flesh union. Leaving you numb, few guns is all it takes. Beat a dot stake, break you some. My proper papa gun, you ammo stopper. Rockefeller with body droppers, nobody stop us. Coppers stand by and observe the nerve of post-war opera. We walk a crooked path, payback wrath with a trigger blast. Slash slap with the aftermath. We murder too, now we wear the killer's mask.
Look out, bullets are gonna fly like rain. And anybody that's meant to die will get slain. Train ourselves to kill, ignore pain. And now we spraying these bullet holes in your brain. Execution, style, murder rain. And generating these crazy times like Wild Wind. Coming in when the bells are ringing. And our hearts are full of sin and singing about execution.
Next sipping on the floor. Dipping and spitting at your show. You
What up, though? CA all day.
What the fuck are you holding, man?
I'm holding the same shit you're holding, dog. What the fuck
but
are
you know what?
holding?
We gon' get it on now, motherfucker. Roll down the window, son. Roll down the window.
I'm with it, man. I'm so with it. Let's do this.
I let these motherfuckers know right now. People a lot of revolution. Somebody talk shit to me in LA. I never live. Cause brown rolls deeper than red or blue ever did. I got bullets that'll rip through your ribs. More painful than watching R. Kelly piss on your kids. Here's the ultimatum, motherfucker. Give me the ass cap or give America Biggie and Tupac flashbacks. Some niggas don't think the underground is grimy and dirty till they find your body on a fucking highway in Jersey. I fire rockets at generic topics. Your lyrics don't hold weight like two-dimensional objects. Cause jail culture didn't give you that fitted hat to memorize a ghost-written shit verse and spit it back. I won't let your whack rhymes redefine lyricism for a whole generation with their fathers in prison. You live inside the image of an era that's gone, like government officials trying to justify Vietnam. I leave niggas traumatized like they mama died and they was responsible for the drive-by homicide. And I don't walk it revolution, I live it. What you think cause you fake, everyone else is a gimmick. Jealous bickering, industry slaves, the nerve of you. Like a child prostitute born into a life of servitude until we murder you, making a red carpet burgundy. The psycho realm in the streets where I prefer to be. Hollywood drive-by, motherfucking murder fest. Weed clouds in the air that cause turbulence. Revolution, motherfucker, you heard of it. I like to spliff with the flag while I'm burning it. Hollywood drive-by, spraying the cucarachas. War with the system like the streets of Oaxaca. Yeah, revolution, motherfucker, you scared of it? Well, it's coming to the industry now, so be prepared for it.
You're on some bullshit tracks, I spit them full-clip raps, while most of these gangster rappers are some full-fledged raps. You're on some bullshit tracks, I spit them full. You're on some bullshit. You're on some bullshit. You're on some bullshit tracks, I spit them full-clip raps, while most of these gangster rappers are some full-fledged raps. The real G stay strapped in full combat. What you see in the videos is full-on acts. The streets don't believe you, homie. Armageddon in the rap game is coming and we lead the army. Rock terror tape audio sounds. Got hostage Cages in pink, this is what they call hip-hop now. I keep that metro shit out of my whip. Man, that dummy rap is through making money, it's about to extinct. You know the radio trying to kill rap with that shit. The only thing dying is the DJs when the case spin. We're headed CEOs and blow up A&Rs. I'm taking your chips like crashing your game of cards. This is how I eat homes, I will give you bars and take the light for these stars for the sting of ours.
Hollywood drive-by, motherfucking murder fest. Weed clouds in the air that cause turbulence. Revolution, motherfucker, you heard of it. I like to split with the flag while I'm burning it. Hollywood drive-by, spraying the cucarachas. War with the system like the streets of Oaxaca. Yeah, revolution, motherfucker, you scared of it? Well, it's coming to the industry now, so
I'm
be
from the
prepared
city
for
of
it.
falling stars, the home of banging hard. Waiting for them at the Radio City Hall to snatch them out the fucking car. Expose them for what they are. Narcs, Jakes, naked formants, feeding us horseshit, blaze up all of them. They say hip-hop doesn't exist. Rappers talking hard, dressed up like punk rock kids. Pumped up by some corporate endorsement. Dead corpses are voiceless, no one hears you, homie. Your little fame is over. We'll send little homies for closure like bankers, cause you owe us the mortgage for exploiting the lifestyle that many died, jailed up in storage, leaving most of us hopeless. Homies ready and focused, what we building got them all afraid. Give me the K, I'll be honored to ignite the flame that'll burn down the game. What's fame keeping our movement? A silent war, motherfucker, you sleeping.
Hollywood drive-by, motherfucking murder fest. Weed clouds in the air that cause turbulence. Revolution, motherfucker, you heard of it. I like to split with the flag while I'm burning it. Hollywood drive-by, spraying the cucarachas. War with the system like the streets of Oaxaca. Yeah, revolution, motherfucker, you scared of it? Well, it's coming to the industry now, so be prepared for it.
Little Bob.com.
It's summertime, and the sun's out, I come out when it comes out. I'm trying to have a good time with my life before my time runs out. Don't wanna be left behind, feeling bummed out. Forget the messes, forget the stresses. Be thankful for what you got and what you're blessed with. We're blessed with laughter, and laughter doesn't cost a thing. I love to laugh, man. In fact, that's my favorite thing. Bust on a homie, make the other homies laugh. And it's so right, cause I know that they'll be busting back. Some of these bottles take their lives too seriously. I mean, come on, homeboy, seriously? Yeah, you need to learn to loosen up a bit. Be real and have fun with the people that you kick it with. A little something for the summertime. A little something to ease your mind. A little something to make you feel good when you kick it in the neighborhood. I got a little something, something for ya. 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 For ya. Yeah. From dusk till dawn, now the sun's gone, the moon's up. Got another summer night we gotta do up. I'm so glad I grew up and not to be a screw up. Now cops just say what's up when they cruise up. They say hi and just roll on by. Let me continue with my night so that I can do it right. I got this beautiful woman that wants to give me a love, and I got a homeboy that I'm hooking up with the cousin. My homeboy's buzzing already, we keep it steadily moving. That's what we're steadily doing. In the Cadillac cruising, the bump and the feel good. On the way to go feel good. She got some nice ass, and man does it feel good. I gotta go, I'll be back in a little bit, but if not, well that just means that I'm still hitting it. Yeah. A little something for the summertime. A little something to ease your mind. A little something to make you feel good when you kick it in the neighborhood. I got a little something, something for ya. 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 For ya.
Ex-bitches
and fake homies. Can't let go of the motherfucking past. Motherfuckers stay thinking about it. It's for my real riders. Come on, let's do this.
I wanna go back to a place in my life where everything seemed alright, but it's not alright. No, it's not alright. said it's not alright. No, it's not alright. Cause everything's wrong tonight. Yeah.
I'm reminiscing, homie. Take a listen, homie. Drug dealing, we did it, and fuck bitches, homie. They switching up on me. What you want from me? I thought you kept it real. I'm thinking, what the fuck, homie? Fuck it, I ain't tripping. Leave it as a memory. I'ma ride alone, getting faded off this Hennessy. I swear to God, I can't think straight. I don't understand why you acting like a bitch, mate. Put that on the mixtape, the 5-star flip way. You sprung off pussy, so you doing what a bitch say. I miss the way that we used to be, throwing up the asses, homie, all about you and me. No matter what, I knew you had my back. No matter where it was, you pull up with a loaded strap. I'ma stay with the real soldiers. Tell them what you want about me, homie, I'm a real soldier.
I wanna go back to a place in my life where everything seemed alright, but it's not alright. No, it's not alright. Where everything seemed alright, I said it's not alright. No, it's not alright. Cause everything's wrong tonight. Yeah.
I drink and I think about how things have changed. I wanna go back, but it won't be the same. Buried under pressure like the world on my shoulder. I'm about to snap cause my life could be over. With my daughter at my feet, wonder if daddy's gonna die. From the third day in a coma for attempted suicide. My sister stabbed my back and she turned into my enemy.
Keep your head up, Naz.
Damn, G, this shit killing me. It's so hard when things happen like that. When my so-called friend once turned his back. I lost respect for you. How the fuck you say that? When I always flew straight, you're the one who broke rank. Since ruthless past, things haven't been the same. Juanito's death from Southgate had me going insane. Damn, what can I say? I'll just let this bottle make my pain go away.
I wanna go back to a place in my life where everything seemed alright, but it's not alright. No, it's not alright. Where everything seemed alright, I said it's not alright. No, it's not alright. Cause everything's wrong tonight. I wanna go back to a place in my life where everything seemed alright, but it's not alright. No, it's not alright. Where everything seemed alright, I said it's not alright. No, it's not alright. Cause everything's wrong tonight. Yeah.
I sit and I think about the things that I've done. It's so crazy how the feds got my boys on the run. You gotta watch your big mouth when you talk on the phone. I wish BZ the capo would come back home. Big Downer should've got a room after Rodale, cause when the cops raided he was just caught in the middle. I feel like my homeboys are going away. Gadget and Days caught another gun case.
I wanna go back to a place in my life where everything seemed alright, but it's not alright. No, it's not alright. Where everything seemed alright, I said it's not alright. No, it's not alright. Cause everything's wrong tonight. I wanna go back to a place in my life
Lil G,
where everything seemed alright, but it's
Naz,
not alright. No, it's not alright.
Stilo Studio.
Where everything seemed alright, I said it's not alright. No, it's
Can't
not
stop me.
alright. Cause everything's wrong tonight.
Riding with Mr. Criminal today. It's a sunny day on the west side, yeah.
As I did glide, 3-wheel motion, let that shit slide. Bringing the gangsta oldies for that west side. Mr. Criminal in the death, so let's ride. It's for the old school with that new twist. This shit is old news. Laughing at you silly bro fools. Not in the category to make that paper stack, that's mandatory. Used to keep one back in the days, these days they pack it for me in this ball shit. New Mercedes Benz looking flawless. They said we never make it, but fuck it, we breaking laws, bitch. Used to be on probation, homies living lawless. Knew it wasn't my destiny to get mine regardless. Set my goals high, criminal shooting for his targets. Fuck the judge, fuck the DA, fuck the probation office. I'm a flossy. Number one selling Latin rap artists, all this for the west side. Yeah, homie, I brought this. Give you something new to bump you never heard from criminal. Dropping OD discs will bring this shit so original. Had to get dominated on some shit is critical. With deadly combination like mixing 2 fucking chemicals. About to blow up, criminals got this shit so nut. Nothing but that stilo coming up out your fucking ring. When I do it for my Latinos, legal or illegal, till I die I make this music for my people.
You can find me, always riding, cruising, jamming westside oldies music like I got that good on me, homie. I'll be riding, shining so clean, so
Strictly hustle, focus on them cash stacks. Homies in the back, roll it when I tell them pass that. Damier, Louis print on the belt and backpack. We made it celebrated, get my girl the bag to match that. Making new music, fools be focusing on hashtag. Silly bastards spreading like some cancer, fuck the hating that. Been to hell before, I never thought that I would make it back. Cold jail cells, all them years I'm never taking back. Celebrating, make a rap, over that OG smoke. Roll a blunt, less toast, do it for the West Coast. Don't mean to brag about, but I do it see the most. Faded comatose, criminals bout to overdose. Over that West Coast, G-Funk, dominate production. Lyrical destruction when I come in any function. And I'm flowing like the Southern Rivers, Cali to Virginia. East Coast, West Coast, down south, I deliver like the UPS. I'm doing this strictly for that old school. Make it ways like Pt.2, give a twist to make it so new. And it's West Side oldies, bring that for the homies, strictly for the motherfucking oldies.
Music like I got good on me, homie. I'll be riding, shining so clean. This is why we can't stop grinding. Staying money motivated, humming up, you know they hate it. Living good, staying sucker free.
And I don't stop, won't stop. Mr. Criminal making it drop. For them OG low riders that's making it hot. Up and down the boulevards, I do it for them battle stars. Strictly for them riders, that's it. You know who you are. I do it strictly for my gente. Southern California, don't raise the sick method. Shots of Presidente, rolling Beamers in them Benzes. Jordans on my feet, Versace's on my lenses. Diamonds in my presidential. Gucci bags in the rental. I remember when everything in life was bare minimal. Water in my cereal, but the hustle made it change. Pistols in the homies' range, but now I hustle having things. Hit the studio just to make the music bang. They living a criminal worldwide, cause I spit it flame.
I remember Gio.
Hey, what's up? How's it going?
Cali Active TV #1.
Cali Active TV #1. I guess so.
You know who's really sick, niggas. Bring it to. First off, fuck your bitch in the clique you claim. West side when we ride, come equipped with game. You claim to be a player, but I fucked your wife. We put some bad boys, niggas fuck for life. Plus, Puffy tryna see me weak, hearts I'm rich. Biggie sponsored Junior Mafia and some more ass bitches. We keep on coming while we running for your dudes. Steady gunning, keep on busting at the boots. You know the rules. Little Caesar, go at your homie, how I leave you. Cut your young ass up, leave you in pieces. Now be deceased. Little kids don't walk around with real teeth. Quick to snatch your ugly ass off the streets. So fuck peace. I let them niggas know it's on for life. Don't let the West Side ride the night. Bad boy murder on wax and kill. Fuck with me and get your cats peeled. You know, see, grab your blocks when you see Tupac. Call the cops when you see Tupac. Who shot me? But your pumps didn't finish. Now you're about to feel the wrath of a menace. Nigga, I hit him up. Check this out. You motherfuckers know what time it is. I don't even know why I'm on this track. Y'all niggas ain't even on my level. I'ma let my little homies ride on you bitch made ass bad boy bitches. Feel.
Get out the way, yo. Get out the way, yo. Biggie Smalls just got dropped. Little move past the mat.